Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya, and in today's video, we will be discussing key dimensions in occupant packaging. It's a critical part of automotive design focused on ensuring comfort, visibility, and safety for drivers and passengers. By understanding these core dimensions, automotive engineers can optimize vehicle interiors to fit a wide range of occupants comfortably. In today's video, we are going to look at two essential dimensions in occupant packaging, that is H30 and L53. Starting with H30 dimension, which is a seat height. A H30 dimension measures a vertical height from accelerator heel point to the seating reference point, HGRP. This measurement is crucial in the sitting the driver's hip height within the cabin. Lower value of H3 allows for the lower roof height but requires more horizontal legroom to keep the driver comfortable. A balance of H30 is essential as it affects visibility and ease of entry and exit, especially in vehicles where maintaining head clearance is crucial. The second dimension is L53, which is a horizontal dimension. L53 represents the horizontal distance from AHP, that is accelerator heel point, to the SGRP, essentially defining the legroom available to the driver. This measurement ensures that the driver has enough space to operate the pedals without straining their legs. Now these two dimensions has interlink between each other. The lower value of H30 leads to the lower roof height measured from the vehicle floor. And the same thing will require longer horizontal space, which is L53 to accommodate a driver. So the vehicle which has lower heights has larger L53 dimension and lesser H30 dimension. So you have to compensate between those two as per the height requirement of your vehicle. In summary, dimensions like H30 and L53 are foundational in automotive occupant packaging. By carefully measuring and adjusting these dimensions, engineers can create interiors that enhance comfort, safety, and functionality. Thanks for watching. That's all about this video. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel. Thank you for joining.